In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an exchange, specifically focusing on a Binancebnb tutorial. This guide is designed to help you navigate through setting up an account, depositing funds, and executing trades with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create and verify a Binance account. To get started, head over to the Binance website or download the mobile app. Registration is quick and straightforward. You'll enter your email or mobile number and create a secure password. It's important to choose a password that's unique and strong to protect your account. Once that's set, Binance will guide you through a security verification process, which typically involves confirming your email or phone number. After this, you may need to go through identity verification, which is a standard procedure for financial platforms. This could include uploading identification documents and perhaps a selfie. Verification is crucial as it not only ensures the security of your account but also allows you to access all features of Binance. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is depositing funds. Binance offers several methods to do this. You can deposit via peer-to-peer transactions using a debit or credit card, or by transferring cryptocurrencies from another wallet. For P2P deposits, navigate to the trade section on Binance and select P2P, then click on Buy. Here, you can choose the currency and the amount you wish to buy, with options typically available for your local currency. Why P2P? It's user-friendly and can often provide competitive rates. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to make some trades. Head back to the trade section. Here you can choose between spot trading or the convert feature. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. The convert feature is straightforward and is best if you're looking to make a swap between two cryptocurrencies quickly. Decide which option suits your trading needs the most. Next, it's time to select the trading pair you're interested in. For this tutorial, we're looking at BNB, but remember, Binance supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, so if there's another coin you're interested in, you'll find it here too. Navigate through the list, choose BNB or any other coin pair you're interested in, and select it. Now you need to enter the amount you wish to trade. Once you've figured out how much BNB or the chosen cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, input this amount. Double check your numbers to ensure everything is as intended. Then simply tap on buy or sell, depending on what you're looking to do. The order will be executed based on current market conditions if you're using the spot option. Finally, you can track all your assets conveniently in your Binance wallet. Here you'll see an overview of everything you hold, from cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies, giving you a clear picture of your portfolio's performance. And there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive guide to using the Binance exchange for trading BNB or any other cryptocurrency. Remember, navigating exchanges can initially seem daunting, but with a bit of practice it gets easier. Keep exploring and happy trading.